Everybody, take out the unseen passages that are uploaded on the school app. Hurry up and open the first passage, beta. Open
Yes, ma'am.
the passage. Opened.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who will read out the passage for me? Who will read out? Anybody who can read out the passage, hurry up. Monica?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you going to read it out?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Read it out then.
Passage 1. A homeless wanderer.
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 Wander.
Yes, read out.
That night, Buddha went to the threshold
Threshold.
of his.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Threshold.
it's not written clear.
उसको zoom करके देखो ना बेटा.
Okay, ma'am. That night, Buddha went to the threshold of his inner
Threshold.
chamber.
Threshold. Okay. Huh. Then.
Threshold of his inner chamber, and thereby, in the rays of the thickening lamp, he gazed a scene of perfect bliss. His pretty young wife lay surrounded by majesty flowers with one hand and on her infant's head. Continuously, a desire arose in his heart to take the baby in his arms for the last time before giving up all earthly bliss, but this he might not do least. They should awaken and the beginning of the fond and
Begging.
loving begging of the fond and a loving soul might uneven his heart and shake up his resolution. Silently, then he lost away himself from the happy sight, the rest of his all the rest of all his joy, love and affection. In that one eventful moment, in the silent darkness of the night, he gave up forever his wealth and position, and more than all this, the affection of a happy home, the love of a young wife, and a tender infant now lying conscientious in sleep. He gave up all this and rode away that night to become a poor student and a homeless wanderer.
Okay. Now this is a wanderer. Now this paragraph, it is about whom? It is all about Gautam Buddha. Okay. When he left the world, when he left all the riches, the joys, and when he decided to become a saint, when he decided to become a saint, when he decided that he's going to leave all the luxuries of his life, the day he left it, the night he left it, okay? Everything has been given in this para about the night when Buddha, he decided to leave his beautiful wife and a young son that was recently born. Clear or not? So now
Yes,
we
ma'am.
come to the questions. Come to the questions. Why did Buddha enter his inner chamber? Who will answer it? Why did Buddha enter his inner chamber? Akhilesh Jain?
Ma'am, 1 minute. I read the passage.
Now you're going to read. You did not listen.
Oh, ma'am, I listen, but ma'am,
But what?
again,
Such a
ma'am,
small
1 minute.
para, and you are going to take how many minutes to answer a simple question, Akhilesh?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Ravina? Yes, Ravina Chaudhary? She left. As soon as her name is called out, she left. Priya Songara? Priya? Why did Buddha enter his inner chamber?
Ma'am, actually, I don't know.
Why you don't know, Priya? Why?
Ma'am, because voice was not clear.
Whose voice was not clear?
Ma'am,
But you
Monica.
might be having the worksheet in front of you.
मैम एक्चुअली आई डोंट नो पैसेज किधर है तो मैंने अभी किसी से पूछा था
तो आपने किससे मैंने कहा ना स्कूल ऐप खोलिए आप उसमें देखिए इट हैज बीन अपलोडेड
मैम मैंने लेट ज्वाइन करा था इसलिए
तो अब तो खोलिए स्कूल ऐप खोलिए
यस मैम
महिमा what happened महिमा महिमा पगारिया प्रांजल जैन
Yes, ma'am.
what yes ma'am answer the questions
Ma'am, I don't get it properly.
why you did not get it properly and from where you want to get it how you are going to get it properly just explain me
Sorry, ma'am.
अरे सॉरी क्या बोल रहा है वो खोलना है स्कूल ऐप और देखना बेटा उस पे यू हैव नॉट ओपन द स्कूल ऐप महिमा पगारिया
Yes, ma'am.
you're not able to listen am I not audible to you
Ma'am, the voice is breaking.
यशराज प्रजापति यशराज
Ma'am,
what happened
Buddha entered.
यशराज
Ma'am,
विश्रुति
ma'am.
1 minute अखिलेश
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Akhilesh.
Ma'am, Buddha enters in a chamber when ma'am one day he decided to
Yes, what did he decide?
ma'am
Isn't it
ma'am
very
to
distressing?
visit.
Isn't it very embarrassing that 11th class students, they are not able to answer. They are not able to find out the answer from the unseen passage that is not meant for them actually. These passages are meant for the lower classes. Very shameful. Good for nothing. Yes, Akhilesh, try.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Buddha decided to visit her nearby places, and when he visit her nearby places, he said that he see that the person is begging, and one person is dead, and the peoples are going for
Beta, what are you answering? I don't understand. You know, this is not the part of unseen passage. From where did you find out this answer? It is not related to the passage.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Nakul.
Ma'am, the Buddha is going to give up all his luxuries, so he thought that should I meet, ma'am, he think that last time to meet his wife or his infant son, which was born recently. So his desire is to took up his son in his arms last time because he was giving up all his luxuries and becoming a saint or monk.
Yes. Buddha, he entered his inner chamber because he had decided to give up all his wealth and position and everything. Okay, he tried or he decided to give up all his wealth, his possession, his family, everything, and he wanted to become a saint. Okay, so now he wanted to begin his life as a poor student and a homeless wanderer. So before that, he entered the chamber to look at his wife and his infant son who was born some days back. Now, this is the answer. Now, do one thing, everybody, you know, just go through the passage and find out the answers. Hurry up, fast. And I want each and everybody to write down this passage in your notebooks. Got it? This one and the other one, the second one. You are going to write it. Tomorrow I am going to see. You will turn on the videos. समझ
Okay,
में आ
ma'am.
रहा है? ये आप कॉपी करेंगे अपने ग्रामर रजिस्टर्स में. Today's date you are going to put, इसको कॉपी करिएगा. क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करिएगा दोनों ही पैसेजेस के. Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
each one of you, सबको आ गया समझ में या वापस से समझाऊं? Everybody is having the worksheets on the school app. I have
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
uploaded it.
Yes.
हाँ. और कुछ वर्ड समझ में नहीं आए तो उसको जूम करके देखिए, आ जाएगा समझ में. We are not so weak, we are not so poor that we cannot read any words. Even the meanings are given there in the box. You know, glossary has been made and the meanings are given there. Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Do it positively.